In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram Account Locked. First, don't panic. This is a common security measure. Start by closing the app and wait at least 30 minutes before trying again, because temporary lock often clear automatically. If it's still locked, open the MoneyGram app or website and tap Forget Password to reset your login details, making sure your new password is strong and unique. Next, check your email for any security messages from MoneyGram and follow the verification steps they provide. Also, double check that your name, address, and ID details match your government ID exactly, since mismatched information can trigger a lock. If nothing works, contact MoneyGram customer supports directly through the app or official website and request an account unlock. They may ask for ID verification, so keep that ready. Once your account is unlocked, avoid using VPNs, don't log in too many times in a row, and always use a secure internet connection to prevent this issue from happening again. So that's it.